Hey, I'm Janelle Trail, I do air. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hey, I'm Janelle Trail, I do air. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hello everybody, my name is Janelle Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, you guys, I am super excited. I am doing my first sponsored video. So today's video is sponsored by Saimisu. So they reached out to me and sent me some passion twist here, and this is the instruction manual showing you guys how to do your passion twist. So you guys, I'm super excited. So the hair came with two clips, two sectioning clips. Came with a mirror, a hand mirror. It also came with a crochet needle, a crochet hook, and also some hair jewels. So in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of hair. This is what it looks like. This is what they came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one pack so you guys can see the quality of the hair. So this is what the hair looks like straight from out of the packaging. How pretty these are. They're bouncy, they're soft. Ooh, I can't wait. So let's get into this video. So first thing is first, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, and I'm gonna do medium size. Yeah, I'm gonna do medium size passion twist. So let's get into this sectioning. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my rat tail comb, because I'm doing this style on blow dried hair. As you guys can see, I already blow dried my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start at the back, and I'll be doing the rubber band method as well.
I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady.
Just gonna double check to see if my parting is straight. Looks straight enough. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and create some smaller boxes. This size.
Come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know you.
My edge control.
Your blue eyes and the way you smile.
And my rubber band.
Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady. let you know.
Perfect.
Girl, come close and get comfortable.
So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those steps throughout my entire head, and I'll be back. See, I already did a portion of the back section already. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the top area. And I'm gonna be repeating the same steps.
Or a video, sitting by the London night, I can see the blue in your eyes. Way you whining, I'm mesmerized. Makes me wonder why I let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
So because I'm going for the jumbo look, I will be using 3 strands of hair if I haven't said that before. I'm just gonna separate it like so. And you guys, this hair is so easy to separate. It is so soft. It is bouncy. The quality of this hair is so much better than the one that I used in my first fashion test video. I can say that. So this is what I do. I take 3 strands of hair, then I'm gonna go ahead and twirl the top like so.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl,
Around
come
my
close
finger
and
like
get
so.
comfortable.
Take my
Girl, I like the
crochet
way you
needle,
always take
push
control
it
on me. Let you
under
go.
the
Got a
section
couple
with
things I wanna let
the
you
rubber
know.
band.
Girl, come
Then I'm
close and
gonna
get
hook the
comfortable.
hair,
Girl, I like the way you always
close the
take
hook,
control
and pull it
on me.
through.
I'll be loving you in
Simple
every
and
way.
easy.
I'll be touching you in every
Pull one
way.
side through, make sure that both ends are equal or
I'll be
even.
loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in
Then I'm
every
gonna go ahead and add some edge control to my hair, just so that it will blend perfectly with the extension. Then I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 2. Then I'm gonna start twisting.
Come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya, get to know your blue eyes and the way you smile.
No knots.
Let you go. Got a
This hair
couple
is
things
just
I wanna
so
let you
soft.
know. Girl, come close and get comfortable.
I'm
Girl, I
loving
like
it.
the way
Thank you guys for
always
sending
take
me the
control
hair.
on
Thank
me.
you,
Let you go.
Sue.
Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control of me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady, I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady, let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you
And
always take
next step, if you guys want to separate the hair, you can. It is, as I said before, it is very easy to separate. You don't get any tangles, you don't get any knots.
radio or a
I
video.
love this hair.
Sitting by the London night, I can see the blue in your eyes. Way you whining, I'm mesmerized. Makes me wonder why I let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me.
So I have my last two sections, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do these.
Now I'm in a position where I feel your body missing, and you got me reminiscing on the times that we had. The definition of true beauty in my vision, number one, no competition, so I want you so bad. You're begging, show me no apologies. Let me fulfill all of your fantasies. Hear the song, strings and keys, kicks naughty, bringing back these memories. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know.
So what I like to do, because you know the thing with passion twist, you could be twisting and then once you're finished, the twist just unravels. So what I like to do is, like, when I reach like halfway, I'll just let it go and see how it. See that? So this means I'm twisting in the wrong direction. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out or keep this down, then and twist in the other direction.
Your blue eyes and the way you smile, I can't let you go. Come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya. Get to know your blue eyes and the way you smile. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges.
I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady, let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always
Alright,
take
so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair jewels on my hair, the one that came with it.
Chilling by the shores up in Monaco. When you hear the song on the stereo, radio, or a video, sitting by the London night, I can see the blue in your eyes. Way you whining, I'm mesmerized. Makes me wonder why I let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil sheen to my
I'll be
hair.
loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady, I can love you, but you can't see it anymore. I can touch
This
you,
is
but you can't feel it anymore. I can love you, but you can't see it anymore. I can touch
So this is the finished look, you guys.
Now I'm in a position where I feel your body missing, and you got me reminiscing on the times that we had. The definition of true beauty in my vision, number one, no competition, so I want you so bad. You're begging, show me no apologies. Let me fulfill all of your fantasies. Hear the song, strings and keys, kicks naughty, bringing back these memories. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know.
So again, you guys, this hair was sent to me by Simisu.
Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go.
This is is the hair that I got, their pattern twist hair. And I'll leave the link to the hair in the description box below. But what I like about this company is that it sends you like different methods, or the methods on how you can install this hair.
I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady,
Yeah, so sign me soon. And like I said, I'll leave their link in the description box below. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on. And you guys, we're on the road to 1K subscribers. I cannot stress that enough. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me get there. And that is it for today's video. Bye.
come closer. Get a couple drinks, get to know ya.